Huh? Alright. Damn. Oh, look at the headlights. Oh, shit. I love this front end on these cars. This shit is loud as fuck. Oh. Shit. Shit. This shit crackle and pop. Bro, what the fuck? I did not know it was gonna do that, bro. Yeah, holy shit. Dude, the sound is crazy. Hear the turbos. Shh.
Wait till we get some boots going.
Shit. So what do you got done to the exhaust?
It's pretty much straight pipe with I've got SPD catted down pipes, and then I got an electric cutout right behind them. So,
Okay.
So I've got the cutout open right now, but I can close it, make it quieter too.
Thing has like a rumble to it too, man.
4-wheel drive, so we don't spin so
Oh, you gonna do four? Oh shit, he doing 4-wheel.
Because we'll spin like crazy.
Oh, bro, this shit is fast as shit. Bro, holy shit. Yeah, this shit way faster than my truck, bro. 4-wheel live dropper. Holy fuck! Oh, shit! Holy shit!
Man, that was the gnarliest 4-wheel drive launch I've ever done.
Bro, that shit pinned me to my seat. Holy shit!
You hear it all? It spun and then it went like.
Yeah, it spun and like it finally hooked and went, but holy dude. Oh shit. Yeah, this shit is fast, bro.
Yeah, it's fast as shit.
This is fast. This is fast. This is the fastest truck I've been in for sure.
Now we'll do some spinach.
Some spinach?
Yeah.
The sound is crazy, bro. I ain't never heard an EcoBoost sound like that.
Bro, the Catalyst one sound even better, man.
Damn. That's insane. Just say he love the speed. This thing sounds crazy.
So this is on E50.
Okay.
With down pipes, inlet pipes, intake, turbo adapters.
Yeah.
And then I'm about to do the injectors and the fuel pump, and then I'll be running full E85.
Shit.
So I'll probably add another, I don't know, at least 50 horsepower on top of what I got.
50 wheel?
Yeah. At least. I would guess more. I mean, but I don't know.
You know how much horsepower have you took it to the dyno?
No.
You haven't been on the dyno?
I'm probably somewhere around 600.
Shit.
Because the E50 tuning by itself is about 550 to the wheels. And I've got all these other mods.
That second 4-wheel drive launch was brutal. that was dope.
I just never done that. I don't launch it. I almost never launch it in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. So you saying it was a bad launch or a good?
No,
launch?
it was bad but good.
Yeah.
It was bad because it spun off 4.
Yeah.
And then when it hooked, it took off. But it was cool because it spun off 4.
Yeah. It pinned me, dude. I was like, blue. Damn. Oh, you manually shifted it? That's crazy. Bro, this truck is fast. This is pretty damn quick. This is pretty damn quick. I'm gonna be real with you. I appreciate that, man. That was cool, guys. Oh man. You got the 3.5 now, right?
Yeah.
Your shit fast. Fast. It's faster than the last time we raced for sure.
I think once I get these next mods, I'll be faster than a Mustang on a road race.
Yeah, dude.
Because I raced a 5.0 10 speed and
I saw that video. I think did you post it on Facebook? I saw something on the group. Yeah, I saw something on the group. I think he on the top end. He kind of went overhead of you, but like between like I think 40 to 80 or 90, he was there.
Well, it was basically like 40 to like 60. I was pulling on him.
Yeah.
And then we both shifted and he went like.
Yeah, aerodynamics at that point. You in the truck, he in his car. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we all done. First ride with the coilovers on, man. And let's see how it goes. If I can tell a difference. I'm going down this bumpy road too. Me and Justin were saying that it looks. Oh yeah. It's a difference. He said they didn't adjust them. They just left them wherever they were at the box. I'm not sure where they are at the box. I'm going off these bumps. I mean, it's still a pretty bumpy. The road is super bumpy. Don't get me wrong. Here, another bump. I can tell it's softer. And like I said, so right now I got them on 2. And I think the softest is 1. Here's another big bump. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a difference. Here's another big bump. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a difference. There's a difference. It's not a huge, big difference, but it's a difference. You know, it makes sense. Like, definitely a difference. So I'm not sure if it's going to be the control arms as well that is kind of helping the ride quality too. Because with the control arm, guys, I didn't explain this in the video. I went BDS control arms because honestly there's not many control arms for the 2015 to 17 like F-150s or F-150s in general. Like I couldn't find McGoys. I love that McGoys look. Love those. They don't have them for Ford, so they only have like BDS, Pro Comp, and Chamberlain, and then Icon. That was it. So it's very hard to find some upper control arms outside of those. Anyway, the control arms are supposed to help with the range of motion over the stock, and they are supposed to help with like articulation, and they are actually enclosed, which is supposed to be better as well, or whatever. I'm definitely sitting higher. I am definitely sitting higher in the front. My truck feels way higher. And again, the front was like an inch and a quarter lower than the rear, so I definitely can feel the difference in that for sure. Come to know if you have these, are you running them at 1, 2, 3? You run them at the softest setting or the firmest setting? Let me know below what you're running. Here's a train track coming up. Let's see. Yeah. It's a difference for sure. Steering feels tighter for sure. A lot tighter. Ooh, them turbos. I will tell you, having the front end sitting up higher than what it used to, I like this. Because first I was looking kind of down on my hood. Now I'm looking kind of over the hood, but not in a bad way. It feels good. The truck feels taller. Like, holy shit, it feels taller. A lot taller. Shit really go blow people's mind now when you drive for the first time. I could imagine like a 9-inch lift, 10-inch lift. Sheesh, this shit is tall. Of course, these are new shocks, guys, brand new. So I'm thinking, also they would take a little time to get broken in. They're probably very, very stiff coming out the box, I'll be very curious to see, compare, Fox shock versus a rough country, up front. Now, I did notice when I got the rear Fox shocks, I noticed a huge upgrade over the rough country N3. So I want to know what the rough country coilovers, Vertex coilovers, versus the Fox shocks feel like. What's the difference? But I forgot to mention this. Apparently, when you get the BDS up control arms, I'm not sure if this applies to my truck when it's lifted, since it's lifted, but apparently they changed the caster on the truck. I'm not sure if that just meant from stock to BDS up control arms or lifted, but apparently it changed the caster. You need to get alignment after you're done with it. So I definitely can tell. I think that I do. I am scheduled to get alignment Friday because I read that and knew that was going to happen. So I'm going to get alignment, tire rotator imbalance, and my lift kit retorqued. I do it at the beginning of the year, almost every year. But yeah, right now my steering wheel is definitely to the side a little more, a lot more than what I was when I took it in. So I definitely can see that it's not straight. Closest to areas I know, let's see, big bump. Oh yeah. There's a difference. There's a difference. Definitely softer. Right now I'm on the, yeah, it's definitely softer, for sure. That's the thing with the coilovers though, you can adjust them how you want. You make them softer or firm. Right now I'm running 2. So I might run into 1 or I might go up 3 or 4, I don't know. I don't know if I need to go up or down. I guess you just get to play with them and see what you want. But right there, those 2 bumps, definitely know a difference on those 2 bumps. So, with a bump. Yeah, it's a better ride. I didn't say nothing right there because I was just riding over the spots I know. It's a better ride. All right, what's up, guys? So it has been about 6 weeks or so since I have put the coilovers on. So I got a better feel for them now. I have now taken this truck basically with the coilovers now to Houston twice. So I went down for LST. I had the coilovers on then. Y'all didn't know about it. And then I went down for Texas 2K and I had them on then. So I have now gotten a much better feel for the coilovers. And let me say, it is a dramatic difference, guys. It is a huge difference. The truck feels way way smoother, whether that be over bumps, over turns, anything like that. It just feels a lot smoother. What really surprised me how smooth it feels turning, just turning left and right, like making a corner. Way smoother. I'm not sure if that has something to do with the upper control arms, they're articulating better, or what the case may be, but I can definitely notice that it is a much smoother ride. Now, I did increase the dampening. I was riding them at 1 when I first got them. I think now I'm running them at 2, I believe. Yeah, I think it's at 2 now. So I like that a little better so far than 1. 1 was just too soft for me. I didn't like that. So 2 feels pretty good. I'm gonna try it at 3, and I'm just gonna play with it to see how it does. I may do a video on that. I talked about turning, how much smoother it felt, of course, but also just the bumps. So my thought of coilovers when I first read about them, I thought the bumps would be completely gone away. No, that's not how it works. That's just a mistake on my part, my thinking. It just smooths the bumps out. So it's still bumpy, right? But it's a lot smoother ride. Like the bumps are way smoother, guys. And trust me, yes, they are definitely worth it. I see what the hype is about not only the coilovers in general, but these Vertex coilovers. They are very good, and so far I am loving it. Now, I will say I am getting a little front end noise, not clicking, not rubbing, only at when I'm like sitting here in the parking lot and I turn my wheel, that kind of noise, what it sounds like, what it sounds like. It wasn't doing prior to me getting the coilovers. But it's weird. I don't know what it is, because the coilovers are up and down, but this sound I'm getting when I'm going left, moving my wheel left and right. And I also get up and down motion too. I don't know. This is like, that's what it sounds like. So I'm not sure if that's going to be my control arms down here, my tie rods. I'm not sure where the noise is coming from, but as I stated, it only started happening once I got the coilovers on here. So I got to get in there and dig a little more. I'm going to probably like have Brielle like turn the wheel so I can see. I only can hear it in the cab. So I got to get outside to see if you hear it on outside. I can go higher up here in the front, so I can show y'all what I mean by I can adjust these. Like right here, this little black coil, you can actually raise this up. See all this extra space? You can raise these, and it's going to raise the front end of the truck up, and you can also, again, adjust your reservoir. So I love them, no regrets. Total cost, I didn't give total cost of everything. Total cost for everything, I paid $875 for the coilovers. I paid $650 for the control arms. Labor was $400, and then I paid $220 for the paint for my other control arms to be painted. So after doing the math, the total cost was $2,150. $2,150 is total cost if you do what I did. So again, that includes all parts, paint, and install. And the reason I chose this again, guys, I said it, the Fox shocks alone were like $1,700 alone by themselves. And then after tax, it was like $19 plus another $4 for install. So to me, I got 3 for like the price of 1. You know what I'm saying? So just want to wrap this video up. I've driven the truck now with a lot of miles on it, and I can definitely tell you the coilovers are worth the price, no question at all, guys. So happy with them so far. We'll do an update, see how they going as they continue to wear in and break in. But yeah, so far, man, these things are dope. No regrets. But anyway, man, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Catch y'all next, baby. Peace.